Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got this part in the mail. It's a mid spoiler for the Corolla hatchback. So I ordered this online through eBay, and I'll be providing the link. I made an agreement with the seller. He provided me with a better deal, and so that's why I'm going to provide his link, but I'm still going to give my honest opinion, and we're going to take a look at it. So this is a mid spoiler. My room is a mess. That's why you can see my blankets in the background. I've been real busy lately, so anyways, let's get to it. So this is what it is. It's basically a gigantic sticker from my understanding. So there's nothing really involved in the installation other than placing it. So I ordered it in pearl white. It looks really good. There's a little, no, that's actually really good. So this is it. So it took about a month to get this. And you can see here will be the logo, the Toyota logo, and underneath it's already been pre-taped. This person did a very good job. You can see here probably was the original coloring. He did not spray this area. Doesn't really matter. This is double-sided tape. It has some holes here, and I don't think it's possible to put any screws through it. I guess you could put a two-sided threaded screw, but I would not bother with that. I'm just going to go with the double-sided tape and see how that works. If I have any issues, then I'll let you guys know. But like I said, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a stick-on wing. Once again, I got it in my color, which is the pearl white. He allows, I believe, black, metallic silver, and I'm not sure what else colors he has, but if you just let the guy know, he'll paint it for you. And like I said, it takes about a month to make this. So, and it looks good. There's no runs, no real scratches or anything. Nothing. I'm just looking through it myself. It's plastic too, so alright, looks good. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as you leave it. And yeah, so like I said, I'll put this link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing something like this for your car. Alright guys, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And if you have anything else, anything that you want me to take a look at, or if you have any questions or anything, just let me know and I'll get to it. Thanks.